Hello everyone, it's the Tech Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to do your first C program. So to start, we have to put the standard C library, which is stdio.h. So we have to put numeral sign, include, lesser than, and greater than, stdio.h. Well, std means standard and io means input, output. And well, now we have to put our main function, which is int main, open and close parentheses, and open braces. And here we put return 0 semicolon. Now here we want to print something because we don't have anything here, so we'll have to put printf. We open and close parentheses and put between quotation marks what we want to put, which is hello world. So we have to compile it. It is very important to put .c because it's a C source file, and like in C++, which we have to put CPP or just C++. You can see CEC, CXX, or CP, but all people use CPP. So now we save it. Oh, of course, we have to put here a semicolon to close it, and that's it. Hello world. Hello world. But that is pretty close to this. Do you want this to be too close? Or maybe you want, but if you don't, you have to put before closing the quotation marks an inverted slash and n. So it makes an end line. Look here, an end line. And that's it. That's all the video. For making that video, I used Java C++, which is the download. You can download it within a link in the description, and there's also an alternative, which is Notepad++, which is also okay, but I prefer this one for C and C++. And well, hit the like button if you like it, subscribe if you want to subscribe. If not, you don't need to subscribe, but if you want, just subscribe, and that's it. Bye.